100,000. Second prize will receive 50,000 pesos. And the third prize winner will receive 30,000 pesos. The judges can decide to declare any other finalists to receive special citations. We improved the Wi-Fi and the connection here. He finished his doctorate in Yale University and undergraduate degree, a seminarian at Recoletos, and also his master's degree from UP Diliman. We are missing her, but she will arrive, I heard. National Scientist Carmencita D. Padilla, member of the Health Sciences Division. She is instrumental in bringing genetic technology to the Philippines by developing these various research projects and discover novel marine compounds with anti-cancer, antibacterial, and other useful properties. Academician Concepcion finished her BS, MS, Diliman. Next member is Academician Raymond Chirari. He's a full professor, distinguished full professional engineering from DLSU. Earlier is DOST Undersecretary for Scientific and Technical Services, Mario. So thank you to my fellow Board of Judges. It will
Maseda. So first, may I acknowledge the presence of our USEC. Okay, we have USEC Maridon Osahagun in Zoom right now. So
pixels or noise and missing information about the image dependent. The performance of the hazing network will now be dependent on the performance of the depth completion network. So our research highlights are as follows. So we attempt to use completely synthetic images. So we did not use any real-world hazy images. So galing approach using a style transfer strategy and three-stage hazing network methods without our network seeing any real hazy images during training. So we provide as well our synthetic dataset called DLSU. Everything is complete. So it's pretty much perfect in nature. And the secondary motivations are in a virtual environment to create photorealistic images. And then in our experiments, we combine it with a style transfer method. So which means we train an AI model for us to produce these images that you see there, which are closer to the real-world samples. So now, since everything is complete or completely available in the virtual environment, we could assemble our training data by following again the equation that we see here. So if we use the corresponding depth maps, just plug it in that equation, we would now have a paired data set. So in other words, it's one of the easiest to train in terms of artificial intelligence because we just need, for example, a hazy image and a transmission map, and then train any encoder-decoder network for us to produce. So this is our architecture. So more details of that in the paper. So in our experiments, we have separated them into 3 stages. So the style transfer, the unlit image extraction, and ito combined siya. It's the transmission map estimation and atmospheric map estimation. So again, we are not using any real it's merely finding letter C, which represents our clear image. We have, so in summary, all of them are using real data sets. We are the only one so far that show that we are performing competitively against all of them. So if we just take a look at SSIM, so the closer it is to 1, it's better. So our results are competitive, especially on the Resigned OTS dataset where we have outperformed all of them. So let us look now on the image results. So this is the hazy image. So that's the only input for our AI model. And if we check our examples, it's closer to the ground truth as compared to other works. So next. Okay. So matapos naman na ako. So again, our network did not see this at all. Papresa lang ng next. Kung gumagana. Ayan. So ganyan siya. As you notice, ayun, so, and then this is another one. Next. So it's very, very hazy. Sobrang, ano siya, sobrang, again, a previous slide. Kasi may delay sa network eh. Ayan, so super hazy siya, but I'm also surprised myself na kaya pa rin siyang i-dehaze. Nagiging ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay, so nare-reveal yung mga nasa likod din. So, last set of slides. Okay, next. Ayan. So I acknowledge it's still an ongoing work. So there are times na hindi siya gagana, but at least you may try it out. So the instructions are simple. So just use this G Drive URL. Try to upload any photo na outdoor. So if let's say nagbagyo kayo or Tagaytay, try nyo siyang gamitin, and then maybe in the networking session, balikan niyo ako kasi nirarun ko lang siya sa laptop para ma-produce yung DA's results. And surprisingly, kaya siya. Okay, so if you want to learn more, we have our website, which is through GitHub. So that wraps my presentation. So thank you very much for listening.
Thank you very much, Dr. Del Gallego, okay, for the very interesting presentation. So maybe we can take pictures with the hazy background and we can approach Dr. Del Gallego.
Today's paper presentation as part of the exercise for the NAS Talent Search for Young Scientists. This award aims to encourage a young and talented researchers to contribute seek chances for improvement in nation building. NAS believes them to conduct good research, thereby promoting science culture and the growth of science and technology in the country. We need more young researchers and scientists because the future belongs to the young. Moreover, I hope that this event will highlight the value of active curiosity. Any scientist and researcher should continuously challenge the boundaries of their ideas and ability to produce high-quality research that contributes to new knowledge. Perhaps this interest will allow our young scientists and researchers to enjoy all the aspects of research. I would like to thank all those who work religiously and devotedly to make this paper presentation successful. Our Board of Judges, headed by National Scientist Raul Pavella, he requested Academician Balmaceda to be the chair on his behalf. Our finalists for participation agenda. May you motivate many of our young outstanding young scientists to thanks for making time for this significant activity and supporting all NAST activities. Lastly, to the Department of Science and Technology for its endeavors. We will be joined by USEC Sahagon, the DOSC USEC for S&T services. Thank you and good morning to all. Academies by peer recognition. You need not apply. You are selected by the members of NAST. And then may corresponding members po kami. They are the scientists, Filipino scientists abroad, but pinaprocess namin yon as ine-elect din po siya. And then ito po yung mga awards ng NAST. Yun po yung start ninyo sa career ninyo as scientist. Yung talent search, yung outstanding young scientist. So, katulad niya, 40 years below po yung outstanding young scientist. And then si Dr. Luli Cruz po, sample siya. Outstanding young scientist siya nung time niya. And then naging NAS member. And then, because of her accomplishments, naging national scientist po siya. And then, na-award din siya ng ASEAN Women for Science. Siya lang po yung may ganong award dito sa ASEAN. Kami po ay binigyan ng karampatang give advice. May advisory function din po kami. So may annual scientific meeting po kami and regional scientific meetings. And then we are also linked with other academies of science abroad. So meron po kaming linkage. Yung NAST po kaya naging comma Philippines kasi po yung Nepal nag-visit sa Philippines. Then ginaya niya pati yung acronym Nepal Academy of Science and Technology. So ginawa po namin may comma then Philippines. So we have 4 functions: recognition, advisory, linkages, and ang pang-apat po, because we are the only one, hindi po kayo nag-a-apply. So kailangan maging magaling kayo sa field nyo para nakikilala kayo ng mga members ng NAST. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat.